Alright guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the GoComma fan, and you could just use the QR code if you want to figure out. I bought it from Gearbest, so it comes with two fans, actually, not just the one. Okay, these are really good fans. You have screws for the fans to connect them up to whatever machine you want to use. It could be a router or a modem that gets too hot during the summer, which is what I bought them for, but you can also use this for a 3D printer and so many other functions. If you don't have a way to power them, you can power them through the modem or whatever that you're using, or you can just find an old 5-volt phone charger and then strip it like I've done here, and then use some jumper cables that I got from a Raspberry Pi project or Arduino project. They will work just fine to connect it up. Anyway, as you can see here, it comes with a nice connector which makes it easy to put the cables in there. And what you do is, once get it running, you need to make sure to screw it in this way with the screws going through here, because the air comes from there this way. On this side there's no airflow. Okay, so hope this video helps you guys. These are really good fans, and I got them from Gearbest, so it's always a mixed bag, but this is one of those products that worked well for me, so I'm recommending it. See you in the next video.